Hello YouTube. Today is another unboxing video, and this is a package that I just received from one bandidospitstop.com from Kerala. So then we move into the actual packaging, which is pretty sturdy. They seem to have spent a lot of time getting this thing ready. So there you go, bandidospitstop.com, and their branding. Little stuff, but things like this, they go a long way in recall value and people enjoying the whole shopping experience. An invoice which says 801. What could this be? You guys would have already seen this on my motorcycle, and it's nothing new. Many out there have already installed this. It's a simple heel guard for the Himalayan from a brand called JB Racing. It's matte silver. This is not polished metal. This is powder coated in matte silver, and as you can see, looks pretty neat, looks pretty minimal. And I like the fact that this has these holes which are not as aggressive as the ones that you see on the Nexus Gears one. I would have liked it without the branding, I mean without this JB thing here, but it's tiny and it's almost not visible, so I mean I don't mind that being there. So there you go, another new heel guard which goes on the machine. This goes on the machine, and the later half of the video is going to be how to get this installed on the machine. It's a piece of cake. So see you then. Okay, so here we are. This is what I was talking to you guys about. Well, I had a hit the other day. I fell on my side. This thing got kind of kinked here, and this had a hit. A rock kind of hit it right here, and this portion of the heel guard kind of got bent a little, just bent like that. And when I tried to wiggle it backwards, it kind of started developing cracks here. So I came back home and I just got rid of this lower portion, and I mean I used a saw and got rid of the lower portion and kind of finished it. But I mean that seems all right. It's not like the worst of the things that could happen to my motorcycle, but 800 bucks and I get a new one. So, and this lower portion, which is kind of really sensitive with the rubber protector, whatever you want to call it, all that, this lower portion being exposed now to the elements, I would rather change this to a new one. So here we go. That's that I believe is 5 mm lock nut, Allen nut. And the last time when I fixed this, I went in with a drop of Loctite, blue Loctite, and so this will kind of come out with some difficulty. It's not going to be super easy pulling it out. Pull the screws out, and here comes my like, if you can see, it's identical except for the fact that these are circles and here you have ovals. So well, that's how the new one will sit, and yeah, I'm pretty okay with the design. Don't really have a problem. So this is the Loctite that I use on the threads. Just a tiny drop, and that will do its job. Like that much. That much ought to do. Anything more, you are kind of asking for trouble. I like the look of this piece. It's pretty straight and just blends in with the master cylinder, and unlike a lot of models online which extend outwards, I like to make things a little flush with the existing design of the components on the motorcycle, thereby nothing aftermarket that I don't wish to display to the world stands out. So